So I never properly introed this vlog the other day, but Evan got his car on the ground, got it running, and today in this video you're gonna see that we're just cutting into the Ferrari a little bit, but go ahead, sit back, enjoy this video. This is gonna be a little bit shorter video, just a little update on the F430. You don't want to cut your own car?
Hell no, you don't want to cut it.
I'm not going to.
He's gonna make me do it because I cut everything.
You're good at it. I'm terrible at it. I'll cut it. I don't give a shit, but it's not gonna look pretty.
Right there. Evan went on a test drive this morning, and
I wouldn't call it a test drive.
it was a passionate drive, and it was rubbing and hitting right there. It's cutting right there, rubbing right there into the tire, so they're just going to literally cut all this. Well, Dan is. Just send it.
About the bad things.
How'd it go?
It went. Hopefully that's enough. Shall see.
Clean line, clean cut. You're right.
Not too bad.
You're right with it.
Some of the wrap still, I didn't go as far as the tire rub.
Oh, yeah!
That's how they do right there.
Dance, nice!
Filthy boys.
Started right now is like one.
Least of my worries.
Oh, I don't worry about that.
Alright, so they just got back from the test drive just to see how it rubs and if it's rubbing anywhere else. And now they're going to start doing the camber adjustment on it. It rubs just a little bit, but Evan's solution is to just literally go for more camber, and hopefully that will resolve the minor rubbing issues. Now you can see it's still rubbing a little bit, but
How does it make you feel to let you know that my Yukon has the same amount of horsepower?
you test driving this?
I don't want to see all over this.
Huh?
If the clearance is okay, then I'm going to do an alignment.
Oh.
Call me now! Damn Taylor. I don't know this side was even touching. I could hear that side touching.
You think it's just because there's one person?
Maybe. I'm just saying.
That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry it was a little bit shorter video, but we won't really have an update until the first official full test drive happens. I've ran into some issues with his F430 in current day when you're watching this, but we're getting that fixed up, and then the next video hopefully will be a full test drive video so you can see what and how it sounds like on the road. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.